Today we are going to see about that 12th unit, new unit, that is according to the, let us learn about jumping and throwing events in athletics, right? That you all learned in your grade 10 in your 5th unit about the long jump, uh, long jump, short put, and okay, we learn about putt shot, javelin throw, some kind of field events we studied in grade 10. Right here, we are going to study about in this 12.1. We are going to study about that jumping, right? Jumps, right? Let us see one by one. In this jumping, right, in your 10th unit, or sorry, in your grade 10, in that 5th unit also, they are having a chart, right? In the chart, that is, we are telling that a classification of athletics or classification of games, right? We is divided into mainly 5. After that, we are dividing that field and track event to 2, right? In separate track events are there, and they are having a field events. In that field events, we are dividing these jumps and throws, right? Here we are going to see that jumps. First, here you can see in jumps, they are having a 2 types, right? Horizontal jumps and vertical jumps, right? Here the pictures I'm showing you, that all are some kind of jumping events. In horizontal jump, you can see long jump and triple jump, right? And in a vertical jump, you can see that a high jump and pole vault, right? In that picture also, you can find out how they are having the jumpings, right? In long jump, how they are have their jump, and in triple jump, they are having some differ to long jump. And likewise here in pole vault and high jump, that is also some kind of difference you can see here, right? Again, you all want to memorize, or you need to uh, keep in your mind, right? This horizontal jump, here see, here you are having an edge, but that examples of horizontal jump, there is no any edge, right? That is long jump and triple jump, right? Here you can see the vertical jump, that is they are having a high jump and ball vault, right? When you are memorizing this one, you can easy to keep in your mind. When you are they, sometime in your MCQs, they will ask that example for horizontal jump, so they will give some kind of mix of this long jump and high jump, or sometimes triple jump and pole vault. If they are giving like that, you can find out that the answer in a proper way. Right. Now we are moving to, we are just recall this, what we learned in our grade 10, right? We studied about long jump. Here you can see they are having a techniques, right? Techniques, they are having a 3. Hang technique, sail technique, and hitch kick technique. Right. About these things we finished learning grade 10. Here we are just recalling what we are learned, right? Here you are having a stages: approach, run, take off, flight, and landing, right? Only 4 stages are in this long jump. But when we are seeing the triple jump, that can be differ from this long jump, some sort of difference, right? Here down you can see that hang technique of long jump. Here you can find out how that person jumping on the jumping and how they are landing, right? In this picture, uh, in 2019, in your past paper question, they show only this picture, and they are asking what techniques are using in this picture, right? They will not say that that is a long jump, or they not say about that this is a field event, but only they show that picture, and they are asking the question how they are What is the technique here they are used? So that is very important one when you are studying these kind of these events, field events or trek event. You need to know that each and every posture of these events. Right here, this is a long jump event. Right now, we will go through the uh, what a triple jump. Right, triple jump. We are going to start. Here they are telling about the triple jump. They are telling triple jump is a horizontal jump among athletic events. Again, they are telling a great deal of energy and Terriman's movements are needed for triple jump. Right here, what they are telling, the triple jump is a horizontal jump. That is earlier we talk about that. That is the type of triple jump. And again, sorry, the type of horizontal jump. Again, they are talking about a great deal of energy and temperature movements are needed for triple jump. Right here, that is both are very needed for here. Right, if they have energy only, we can carry out that game in a proper level. Right, again they are continuing that consists of 3 jumps. It is essential that a speed can be controlled when reach the takeoff board is maintained, while the speed should not be allowed to be reduced in the 3 jumps. That is the important thing here. When we are taking a speed, that is also we are doing in long jump, right? Wherever we can start our running point, when we are starting the running point, how we are taking the speed only, we can finish it in a long way. Otherwise, what will happen? We will stop in the pitch in front to that line. So when they are measuring, we can get a proper level of that event. Right, again they are continuing. That is they are telling here, for this triple jump, we need a right. These are the stages. Right, when you are seeing this picture, you can find out. Right, approach, run, hop, step, jump, and landing. Right here, you are having a 5 stages, but in long jump, you have only 4 stages. That is, you want to remind in your mind. Right, when you are seeing this picture, see when they are having hop, must take off and land on some foot, same foot. Right, that is happening here. And step, must land on opposite foot. And again, that is coming to jump. Right, when they are jumping, they are telling jump must land in the landing area. Right, here you can see the same foot. First they are having a right foot, again that is a right foot, again it's coming to next foot. Right, and when they are jumping, we are using the both feet. That is the you all want to know here. In a triple jump, in a long jump, நாங்க நேரா ஓடி வந்து என்ன செய்வோம், அந்த டேக் ஆஃப் போர்ட்ல பாஞ்சி நேரா 2 காலையும் வச்சு லேண்ட் ஆகிடுவோம். But here we are not doing that like that. That is you want to memorize here. When they are having a long jump and triple jump, here you want to know these 3 words: hop, step, and jump. Right, these are the stages we are having in a triple jump. Right, that is the main thing here you need to know. That is, first of all, you want to know about this hop. When they are having the hop, must take off and land on same foot. And next, but when they are having a step, they are telling must land on opposite foot. And when they are jumping, we want to have a both legs. right? Here you can find out in this picture, it is easy for you to know this, right? In a triple jump, they are telling triple jump, a second takeoff should be made using the same foot that was used for the takeoff, while the third takeoff should be made with the leg opposite side to that. That is the important thing. And finally, the landing should be made with the both legs. Right? நாங்க எந்த கால்ல ஆரம்பிக்கிறோமோ அதே காலத்தை நாங்க திருப்பியும் வைப்போம். Here, see this picture. Hop, step, and jump. Right? You can find out here. Right leg start பண்ணாக்கா again you need to keep that right leg. Right? After that, when you are having stepping, you need to have a left foot. After what is happening, we need to have a both. When they are having a jumping, we need to have a both because we are landing with the both legs. That is important one. That is called here triple jump. Here you can see the black color foot. You are having a 3, and here left leg also. Here first right foot, again right foot, again you are having left foot, again you are having a both foot. Here that is why we are telling for this event triple jump, because in a 3 times we are having the jumping posture. That is the main thing. We will have this name for triple jump. Right? Now we are moving to that each and every postures. Right? Let us see every postures. Here you are having how many postures? 5 postures. Now we are going to see one by one. These postures also very important. Sometime in your MCQ questions, they will ask, they will give the 1 or 2 postures and they will ask which posture is this, right? In a triple jump, likewise they will ask. Right, first of all, this picture you can find out that is called approach run. Right, here you need to know what is this one. No need to memorize all these things, right? You just need to know the picture, the posture, and the stage. Right, here they are telling the distance that is needed for approach run varies from athletic to athletic. Right, that is according to our long, like a long jump also. Right, and next they are telling beginner may use about 10 steps, while expert trained athletic usually used about 17 to 20 steps. Right, beginner they can use wherever, but the practice athletic, right, that athletic they will use only the steps between 17 to 18 steps. Right, during the approach run, the body should be kept relaxed and straight, and the running should be done raising the knee upwards. That is you all want to know. Here you can see the picture, how they are keeping their hands and how they are running. That is also important one. Earlier we told that for this triple jump, that speed is very important. So when we are getting the speed only, we can reach that place in a proper achievement level. Right, that is, I think that is clear for you, this approach run. Now we are moving to that next hop. Right, that this is the mainly you want to know the hop, step, and jump. First jump they are giving in a bracket. They are telling this is the first jump. So first jump means first we are in a what we call, we are in a takeoff board, first takeoff board. Right, here they are giving, these are some kind of points. They are telling the foot should be placed on the takeoff board and the takeoff should be must existing pressure on that board. நாங்க எவ்வளவு மட்டுக்கு அழுத்தி பாயிரமோ அவ்வளவு மட்டுக்கு நாங்க அடுத்த லெக்க கொண்டுகிட்டு போறதுக்கு இல்லாட்டி அடுத்த நாங்க ஸ்டேஜுக்கு போறதுக்கு that can be easier. Right, next they are telling unlike in a long jump, this point is important one. See, unlike in a long jump, the distance of the first jump of triple jump should not be, be careful, should not be made as long as possible. ரைட், அப்ப இதுல என்ன சொல்ல வராங்க, நாங்க ட்ரிபிள் ஜம்ப் நாங்க லாங் ஜம்ப்புக்கு பண்றாப்ல நாங்க வந்து ஆக கூடுதலான இடத்துக்கு போக கூடாதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க. சாரி. And next they are telling the take off leg should be extend forwards. ரைட், நாங்க எந்த காலை பலவையில வச்சோமோ அந்த கால் வந்து ஆக கூடுதலா முன்னுக்கு போகணும். என்று சொன்னா again we are doing another jump, so that is important one. Balance of the body should be maintained, right, for whole event up to finishing the event. That want to be very careful. We need to have our balance, body balance properly. Before again next they are telling the two arms should swing backwards, right, and at last they are telling at this position the takeoff leg is completely straight, right. That is also very important one. Here we want to consider these things when they are having a hop, when they are having a first jump. Right, now we are moving to that second jump. Right, the second jump we are giving the name that is a step. Right, earlier we told in a triple jump we are having the stages, 5 stages. First approach run, second hop, and third step. The step is the second jump. Here you can see the difference from both pictures. Here how they are having the starting hop and how they are having a second jump. Right, see the pictures. Right, first they are telling at the step phase takeoff should be made using the same foot that was used for the hop. நாங்க உங்களுக்கு ஏர்லியாவே சொல்லிட்டோமே, ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு ஹோப் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு ரைட் லெக் யூஸ் பண்ணாக்கா again we need to use right leg, right, right and left, after that both, right. Some people, some athlete can be used left. அப்ப டேக் ஆஃப்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட்க்கு லெஃப்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணாக்கா again they will use left, again they will use right, and next lastly they will use the both, right. அதுல you need to be very careful. Right, now here you can see that is that they are telling here. Second they are telling hand should be swung well. நாங்க கையை அசைக்கிற நேரத்துல தான் நாங்க ஸ்பீட கூடுதலா எடுக்கலாம். அப்ப அதைத்தான் சொல்ல வராங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், in the case of right leg domain athletic, the takeoff is made by pressing the right foot against the ground. Right. Right. Next thing, again last they are telling the left leg of the athletic is further raised. Right. That can be can't stop. Here they are talking about when they are used, when they start that jump with the right leg. Right leg la தோங்கறவங்கள வச்ச மாதிரிக்கு தான் இது நாங்க இங்க கழிச்சு படுது. ரைட், அடுத்த கால் வந்து என்ன செய்யணும், லெஃப்ட் லெக் வந்து லேண்ட் ஆக கூடாது. Then the left foot is lowered and the landing is done with the left foot. Right, now we are moving to that next point. Right, that is called jump. Right, in the stages this is the what, fourth stages. Right, here you can find out the picture. They are telling here at the third jump phase the body of the athletic should be raised. The thigh of the right leg reaches the level that is parallel to the ground. You can find out this picture. It is you can easily find out the difference of both. Before we saw that the flight phase, the hung or the sail technique is used. Right here they are telling the hung or sail technique. And next they are telling towards the end of the flight phase, the body is prepared for the landing. Right? நல்லா ஆகவே force எடுத்து நல்லா இது பண்ணி கொண்டுட்டு வர நேரத்துல here you can find out they are having to ready to have a landing. And the upper body is lean forwards and the two legs are straight and extend forwards. The two hands are extended forwards. அப்ப நாங்க ஆக மேல கையை தூக்கி கீழே எடுக்கிற நேரத்துக்கு எங்களுக்கு ஃபோர்ஸா என்ன செய்யலாம், நாங்க லேர்ன் பண்றதுக்கு ஈஸியா கொண்டு வரலாம். Right? That is the third point. And here in a last they are talking about the landing. Right? In a landing they are telling the legs that have been straight are bend at the knees as the feet touch the ground. Right? That is, you all know that like a long jump, in a triple jump also we are having that measurements. Right? In that measurement how we are facing that. Right? The athletic moves forwards in a sitting posture. And last they are telling the hand should be rotated forwards very fast. Then only we can reach our land or we can reach our landmark in that pitch. Right? That is also very important when we are having a triple jump. We need to take a proper speed when we are starting or when we are approaching the run. After that, when we want to have a very good body balance, and last we need to finish the landing with the both legs. Right? Now we are moving to see here. This is the pitch of the triple jump. Right? Likewise, a long jump. Here you can find out they are having a two landing takeoff board. That is here they are telling here the difference of that triple jump and long jump. When we are having a long jump, in the runway we are coming and first time we are touching the takeoff board and we will land in a landing pit. But in a triple jump, we are not doing like that. Right? First we start the what? We will start the approach run. After that, we will have the hop, and next we will have in this 30 meter. We will have again in this 13 meter. We will have the step. Again, we will have the jump. After that only, we are coming to this landing pit. So this is the measurement of that court. Right? This court, these all are you need to know. No need to have the measurements. Right? They will not ask measurements, but in your MCQs, they will ask the what is the court or which shape of the court they will use in this triple jump, or sometimes they will ask in a long jump. Right? Here you can see the difference. They are showing here for long jump board, here it's starting. Here triple jump takeoff board, it's starting from here. So these are the difference they are having. Right?
Yes.
Again we are moving here, right, to that rules of the triple jump. Right? I will attach here that I will attach one triple jump video that is easy for you to understand how they are having the practice and how they are having the rules and regulation. Here we will go through that also, right, that is easy for you have a sub reference. Right, here we are going to see the training. Right, we are telling that beginner, we are telling the name of the participants who are participating in that jump. Before that, they need to have a practices. Right, last time also in 2020 O level paper, they are asking about that 19, maybe 19 2019, they are asking for triple jump for the beginner. Uh, what is the steps or what is the practice you can give, like that they are asking the question. So these are the practicing methods. Here they are giving 3 practicing methods. First one, see, place in some limited area a few cardboard boxes or similar objects that are not very high and that don't pose any danger, and run and the area freely, jump over those obstacles. Right, you just having a boxes here. See the first picture they are showing here. Right, having a picture, having a boxer, and you just jumping the and on that. Right, jumping, and again you are running, again you are jumping. Right, so that you can get the proper exercise to have a proper jump. Right, and next they are telling when jumping over the obstacles, the landing should be done with the same foot that was used to make the takeoff. Right, that is also they are telling here, that is also very important part. Right, when we are having, when we are jumping and when we are landing in the same leg, right, that is we can take a takeoff. Right, and again we are having the jump and steps and all, they are no. So that's why they are telling here we need to have a same leg. Right, second practice they are telling, mark some area on the ground and move about in that area by jumping forwards, keeping the to the hop, step, and jump order. Right, that is also one next thing. Here you can see the second picture. Right, having a marking one area and having all the 3 main stages. What are that main stages? Hop, step, and jump. Right, in last they are telling, make a frame of lines and participate the 3 phases of the triple jump. Right, hop, step, and jump. Right, only in third one they are telling, make a frame of line. Right, it's sometime it can be a circle, or sometime it can be a box shape, or it's sometime have a straight line. Right, we can have that one, and we are practicing on that these 3 methods: hop, step, and jump. Right, the second one also like that, having an area. Right, mark on an area. அப்ப இது வந்து ஒரு பெரிய இடத்தை வச்சு நாங்க செய்யறது second one. Third one வந்து ஒரு லைனை வச்சு we are doing that one. Right, I think you all of you clear in these both 3 practices. You can see the picture also. Right, sometime in your exams you can draw it. Right, no need to draw like artist. Right, நீங்க உங்களுக்கு விலகி கொள்றதுக்கு மாதிரி அத பிக்சரை பாக்குற நேரத்துக்கு உங்களுக்கு மத்தவங்க புரிஞ்சு கொள்ற மாதிரிக்கு நீங்க வந்து பிக்சரை கீறி you can explain that when they are asking the practicing methods. Right, அப்ப அப்படி நீங்க பாக்குற நேரத்துல that can be easy for you and easy for them. They can find out, right, you all are knowing the answer well and you are thoroughly in this subject. Right, now we are moving to that next thing, that is called rules and regulations. Right, we all know when we are having a field events or tech events or organized game, for each and game we are having the rules and regulations. When we are following these rules and regulations only, we can follow our game in a proper way, proper method. Right, so that is why here we are having a rules and regulations. Right now, let's see one by one the rules and regulations, and we can go through uh, beyond this.